National Marshals, being crowned by Miles, again for Miles Slim, and a trophy and cash prize from actor Julio Diaz. And the second runner-up is the second runner-up is from Powerhouse. The crown and the trophy for the first runner-up will be.
For the sash will be Miss Anna Capri. For the crown, Dr. Anita Jackson. For the trophy and cap will be Anne Marie Tan.
Our Campuso from GMA 7. Now the first runner-up will also receive 40,000 pesos cash. And our first runner-up is lucky number 7. Miss Lina. And accompanying, of course, Anita Jackson. Did you notice that all three ladies who are accepted awards are all named Annie or Anna or Anita? Thank you so much for being here. Congratulations, Christina. And finally, thanks for stay here. And now we will also like to request Miss Powerhouse. Thank you so much. Now all 5 of the 5 finalists step forward, please. Okay, please hold your hands as we make the final announcement.
Put your best.
Is the candidate from Philippines.